Hi everybody, welcome to this class. In previous class we study a simple program of Java, how we can make a simple program, a simple printing program in Java. So in that example we practice this program in which we print information of a person, name, age, salary, gender by the help of system.out.println command. Now in second example we will print the same information that we print above in this program, but we will store this information in some variable. So in this program we will come to know how we can store information in some variable and how we can print that information with the help of variable. So in today's video we will in this tutorial we will print information with the help of variable. So let us start. It is our first program. Just select all this program, copy, and click on file, new file, and paste. Now here I will take few variable. To store name we will take string name. Name is a string, so we will take string data type. Second is age. For this we will take integer because it is a number. So for number without decimal point we will take integer. Next is salary. For this we will take float or double. So I am taking double. Like this. For pointed values we can take double or float, and for address we will take again string. Like this I took 4 variables. String name is to store string variable name, string value name, and age is integer type because it will store a complete number without decimal point. Salary is in double. Double is used to hold pointed values, fractional values. So salary is in fractional values. And next is address. It is also in string because it will store string data, textual values. Now we will print all these information. For this we will write like this. We will apply here plus operator. So it is the concatenation operation we are performing. Here is one string enclosed in double quote. With the help of plus we are concatenating. Concatenating means adding new string. Adding new string next to this string. That will be value of name. So it will show like this: name Amir Bhai. Next here we will concat age, and here we will concatenate salary. Here we will add address. So like this we can print information with the help of variable along with messages. These are the messages and these are the values stored in some variable. Now again we will save this program with the help of person information 2 because person information is already present. So we will save person information 2. We'll go to file, save, and we'll say person information 2 .java, and we'll save this program. For this we'll go to my computer, C drive, JDK, and bin folder. Here we'll save this program and save. If you did not see my previous video, first part of this video, you can see that tutorial so that you will be better understand how we can print information in Java. In this tutorial I explain you the working, and this is the second example. Now to execute this program we will open this command prompt. I also told you how we can open command prompt. In last video I told you 3 methods to open command prompt. First, I can directly click from here. Second, open this and type here cmd. It is the command prompt. And third, I told you, go to all programs, accessories, and here is also command prompt. Now to execute Java program, we have to go to this location cjdk bin. For this, first of all, we'll go to root drive. For this, we will take cd slash, it will bring us at root drive. Now cd jdk star. JDK star means it is a wildcard character, means there can be more JDK in C drive. So we'll look to on those JDK one by one. I will press tab. It's JDK 1.6, but my program is stored in 1.7. Again I will press tab. It's JDK 1.7, same. So press enter. Now we are inside JDK. Now inside JDK we go to inside bin. So we'll again write cd change directory bin, and we are inside bin now. Now we'll compile this program. Javek is the Java compiler, and we have to compile this program by passing class name, person information along with extension. So program has been compiled. There is no any error. Now to execute this program, we'll say Java person information, and we'll press enter. We can look here, information has been print. Oh sorry, here is one thing is wrong. Program name is information2, so we'll say this Java person information2, and again we will run Java person information2. It is the program checking that we are using. We can look by changing some value. We have to, after changing or every type of change, we have to save this file either directly from here or by pressing Ctrl S, Ctrl plus S from keyboard. By the help of up arrow key from keyboard, we can bring previous command. It is compile command, and by the help of down arrow key, we can also bring previous command. It is printing command, run command. So we can look here, data has been print, age is 26 and salary is 45,000. So like this we can print information stored in some variable. What are the variable, what are the data type, all these things we will discuss in detail in next videos. So in this tutorial I told you only how we can store some variable, some value in some variable, and how we can print information with the help of variable. And in previous video I told you how we can print information directly. So this is the main difference in both these programs. I hope it will be more clear to you. And still then, if you have some problem, you can ask me through a comment. And if this video or this tutorial is helpful for you, you can ask me through a comment. You can like this video. You can share this tutorial with your friends, and can subscribe my channel for more videos related to the topics. Thanks for watching.